second year related examples. Page number 383. Sixth question. Example 6. In triangle ABC, if A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A equal to 3BC, then find angle A, then find angle A. Okay. Now, so the given information, solution: A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A equal to 3BC. A plus B plus C 2S, B plus C 2S minus A, already 1 over minus C equal to 3BC. 2S minus A 2A equal to 3BC. So 2 common and multiplied. 4S of S minus A equal to 3BC. BC bringing this side, S of S minus A by BC, 4 bringing outside, 3 by 4. So doing square root both sides, and the root of S minus A by BC equal to root of 3 by root of 4, 2. So this is equal to, this is the formula of cos A by 2. Cos A by 2 equal to root 3 by 2. Cos root 3 by 2 at 30 degrees. A equal to cross multiply 60 degrees. So this is the answer. Next, seventh question. Seventh question is A equal to, if A equal to 4, B equal to 5, C equal to 7, find cos B by 2. Find cos B by 2. Solution: A equal to 4, B equal to 5, C equal to 7. Cos B by 2 formula. Cos B by 2. Is it cos B by 2? Okay. Yes. Cos B by 2 formula. Cos B by 2 formula under root of S of S minus B by AC. But we need before S value. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 4 plus 5 plus 7 by 2. 4 plus 5 9 plus 7 16 by 2. 8. 4 plus 5 9 plus 7 16 by 2 equal to 8. Now cos B by 2 formula under root of S of S minus B by AC under root S 8 S minus B 8 minus 5 equal to 3 by A 4. Now C equal to 7. So 4 into 1, 4 into 2 equal to root of 6 by 7. So cos B by 2 equal to, we need what? Cos B by 2 root of 6 by 7. Now question number 8. So 8th question is, in triangle ABC, find B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2. C cos square B by 2. Solution: B into cos C by 2 formula under root of S minus C by AB whole square plus C under root of S minus B by AC whole square. Root 2 and square cancel. B into S minus C by AB. C S into S minus B by AC. So here B cancel, here C cancel. Numerator S, denominator A common. S by A common. S minus C plus S minus B. S by A of S plus S 2S minus B minus C. S by A into 2S A plus B plus C minus B minus C cancel. A cancel, we will get S. So this is the required solution. So B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2 equal to S. Okay. Next, question number 9. If tan A by 2 equal to 5 by 6, tan tan a by 2 equal to 5 by 6. Tan c by 2 equal to 2 by 5. Tan c by 2 equal to 2 by 5. Tan a by 2 equal to 5 by 6. Tan c by 2 equal to 2 by 5. Determine the relation between a, b, c. Determine the relation between a, b, c. Between a, b, c. Okay. Solution. Tan a by 2 equal to 5 by 6. Tan c by 2 equal to 2 by 5. So I want to multiply tan a by 2 into tan c by 2 equal to 5 by 6 into 2 by 5. 5 cancel, 2 into 1, 2 into 3. Tan a by 2 formula under root s minus b, s minus c by s of s minus c into under root s minus a, s minus c, s minus b by s of s minus c equal to 1 by 3. So here s minus c cancel, s minus a cancel. So numerator s minus b, numerator of s minus b, denominator s whole square equal to 1 by 3. So square root square cancel. Then s minus b by s equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication. 3s minus 3b equal to s. 3s minus s equal to 3b. 3s minus s equal to 3b. 3s minus s, 2s equal to 3b. 2s, a plus b plus c equal to 3b. a plus c equal to 3b minus b. a plus c equal to 3b minus b equal to 2. So this is the relation between a, b, c. Okay. Next, question number 10. 10th one is if cot a by 2 equal to b plus c by a, then find b plus c by a, find angle b. Find angle b. Find angle b. Okay. Now so cot a by 2 equal to b plus c by a. Cot a by 2 equal to solution. Cot a by 2 equal to b plus c by a. Cot equal to cos by sin. Cos a by 2 by sin a by 2, which is equal to b 2r sin b, c 2r sin c by 2r sin b. b equal to 2r sin b, c equal to r sin c, a equal to r sin a. Cos a by 2 by sin a by 2, which is equal to 2r common sin b plus sin c by 2r sin b. So 2r cancel. Cos a by 2 by sin a by 2 equal to sin c plus sin b formula I want to apply. 2 sin b plus c by 2 sin cos b minus c by 2 by sin a formula, half angle formula. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Now cos a by 2 by sin a by 2. Cos a by 2, both sides sin a by 2 I am cancelling. 2 also getting cancelled. So now sin b plus c. So b plus c equal to 180 minus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2. Cos b minus c by 2 by cos a by 2. So bringing this side cos a by 2 as this. Cross multiply cos square a by 2 equal to, so sin of b minus c by 2. b minus c by 2. Sin of 90 minus cos square a by 2 equal to cos a by 2 into cos of b minus c by 2. Cos of b minus c by 2. So one of the cos a by 2 cancel. Cos a by 2 equal to cos of b minus c by 2. So in triangle ABC, then a by 2 equal to so b minus c by 2. A by 2 equal to b minus c by 2. Okay, now so 2 cancel. A equal to b minus c. A plus c equal to b. Bringing c this side. A plus c equal to b. Adding b on both sides. A plus b plus c equal to b plus b. B plus b 2b. A plus b plus c 180. You cancel this 2. So 180 by 2 90. So this is the required solution. So answer is 90 degrees. Next question number 11. If tan of c minus a by 2 equal to k into cot b by 2. K cot b by 2. Find it. Solution. So cot of tan of c minus a by 2 equal to k cot b by 2. So I want to apply tangent or radial formula. So c minus a by c plus a into cot b by 2 equal to k into cot b by 2. Both sides cot b by 2 cancel. K equal to c minus a by c plus a. This is the required solution. Okay. Next, 12th one. So 12th question is, in triangle ABC, show that b square minus c square by a square equal to sin of b minus c by sin of b plus c. Sin of b minus c by sin of b plus c. Okay. Now, so solution. LHS I am taking b square minus c square by a square. Taking this one, I want to prove right side. B 2r sin b, c 2r sin c, a 2r sin b. So 2r sin b whole square, 2r sin c whole square by 2r sin a whole square. So 4r square sin square b, 4r square sin square c by 4r square sin square a. So numerator common 4r square. If we are taking 4r square common, sin square b minus sin square c by 4r square sin square b. So this I am writing 180 minus of b plus c. 180 minus of b plus c. So 4r square cancel. So a plus b plus c 180. A equal 180 minus of b plus c. Next, sin square a minus sin square b formula. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c by sin of 180 minus theta plus sin theta. Second quadrant plus. Even it is square, it is plus. Sin of b plus c. Sin square of b plus c. So sin of b plus c, sin of b plus c. One of them cancel. We will get sin of b minus c by sin of b plus c. So this we need to prove. This is RHS. This is the required solution. Okay. Next. Next question number 13, example 13. Show that a square cot a plus b square cot b plus c square cot c equal to abc by r equal to abc by r. So we need to prove this one. So I am taking LHS left side. A square cot a plus b square cot b plus c square cot c. A 2r sin a whole square. This is cos a by sin a plus 2r sin b whole square cos b by sin b plus 2r sin c whole square cos c by sin c implies 2r whole square 4r square sin square a cos a by sin a plus 4r square sin square b cos b by sin b plus 4r square sin square c cos c by sin c. Okay, so in this sin a cancel, sin b cancel, sin c cancel, one of them cancel. Next, I am taking 2r square common. Actually it is 4r square, but I am taking only 2r square common. If we are taking 2r square, 2 sin a cos a plus 2 sin b cos b plus 2 sin c cos c. Now 2r square r. This is sin to a, this is sin to b, this is sin to c. Sin to a plus sin to b plus sin to c. So now we apply the trigonometric ratios last exercise related problem. So 2r square of sin c plus sin d, 2 sin 2a plus 2b by 2 cos 2a minus 2b by 2 plus sin 2c. Now 2r square of 2 sin of 2 common cancel a plus b cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. Now a plus b I want to write 180 minus c. So because it is in a triangle ABC, so 2r square of 2 sin of 180 minus c cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. Now sin of 180 minus theta, sin theta, 2r square 2 sin c cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c, 2 sin c cos c. Now 2 sin c common, 2r square 2 sin c common. So this we will get cos c cos of a minus b plus cos c. Now 2r square 2 sin c, 2 sin c. So this I will write cos of a minus b plus cos of 180 minus of a plus b, 180 minus of a plus b, 2r square 2 sin c cos of a minus b. So cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta minus cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, cos difference minus cos of 2 sin a sin b. So 2r square 2 sin c into 2 sin a sin b. Overall, so this is equal to 2r square of 2 into 2 4 sin a sin b sin c. So 2r square bringing inside, 4 outside. 4r 2r square sin A, sin B, sin C. Okay, 2r square sin A, sin B, sin C equal to delta. So 4 into delta. Delta equal to ABC by 4r. 4 cancel. We will get ABC by r. So this is equal to RHS. So this is the required proof. Okay. Next question. 14th one. 14th. So that b minus c whole square cos square a by 2 b minus c whole square cos square a by 2 plus b plus c whole square sin square a by 2 equal to sin square a by 2 equal to a square. B minus c whole square cos square a by 2 plus b plus c whole square sin square a by 2 equal to a square. Okay, solution. I am taking the LHS. B minus c whole square cos square a by 2 b plus c whole square sin square a by 2. So a minus b whole square a plus b whole square formulas I want to apply. B square plus c square minus 2bc cos square a by 2 b square plus c square minus 2bc sin square a by 2. So this b square plus c square, here also b square plus c square. So here actually it is plus b square plus c square. So b square plus c square, b square plus c square common. If we are taking common, the product multiples cos square of a by 2 plus sin square a by 2. Now minus 2bc cos square a by 2 plus 2bc cos square a by 2 minus 2bc common, cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. If it is a minus common, this will become plus, this plus will become minus. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to what? B square plus c square of 1 minus 2bc into cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos to theta, cos of 2 into a by 2 cancel, b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. So actually what is the formula for cos a? B square plus c square minus 2bc into cos a equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. 2bc cancel, b square minus c square, b square plus c square minus b square minus c square plus a square. B square cancel, c square cancel, we will get a square. So this is a square. This is equal to RHS. This is we need to prove. Okay. Next question number 15th. 15th example. Example 15. Prove that a of b cos c, minus c cos b, equal to b square minus c square, equal to b square minus c square. So I want to take LHS, left side. A of b cos c minus c cos b, a into b, ab cos c minus a into c, ac cos b. So I want to write the formula of cos c and cos b. ab into cos c formula, a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab minus ac into a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac. AC cancel, AB cancel. Denominator 2. 1 by 2 of a square plus b square minus c square. Minus multiplication. Minus a square minus c square plus b square. So what is cancel? A square only cancel. 1 by 2. B square plus b square, 2b square. Minus c square minus c square minus 2c square. So 1 by 2 into 2 common. B square minus c square, 2 cancel, which is equal to b square minus c square. We got it is equal to RHS. next example 16. So example 16 is show that c minus b cos a, c minus b cos a by b minus c cos a equal to cos b by cos b by cos c. Okay, so I am taking LHS c minus b cos c by b minus c cos c. So according to projection rule, c equal to a cos b plus b cos c minus b cos c by b equal to a cos c plus c cos a minus c cos a. So b cos a, b cos a, c cos a, c cos a cancel. A cos b by a cos c. A cancel. Cos b by cos c. So this is equal to